Hello guys, Adis here, and today we're going to learn about insertion sort. How insertion sort work? Okay, we consider or we compare two elements of an array. As we know, array is starting from zero index. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here we can see 4 is less than 4. Okay, 4 is key value and key value is less than 5, so this 4 will be replaced in the place of 5, just like that. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay, again we can compare two element of an array, 3 and 5. 3 is the key value. Key value is less than 5, so this 3 will be replaced in the place of 5, like that. 4, 3, 5, 2, 1. Okay, again we compare two element, 2 and 5. 2 is key value right now, so this key value is lesser than 5, so this 2 will we replace 5. 4, 3, 2, 1 and 5. We can see one element is sorted. Again, or we can copy this line and paste it here. Okay, now so now again we compare two elements, 3 and 4. 3 is the key value. Okay, so key value is less than 4, so 3 will be replaced here. 3, 4, 2, 1 and 5. Again we can see 2 is less than 4, so again 2 will be replaced in place of 4. 3, 2, 4, 1 and at the end 5. Okay, again we can see 1 and 4. 1 is key value and key value is less than 4, so it will be replaced. 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5. So second element is sorted now. So in this way, at the end will look like it will look like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. At the end it will be look like that. Okay, so now we write a code according to this logic. First we declare a array. Same example I'm going to take which I have used before. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so you can understand better here. Now From here we have to declare a method public void public static void inst. You can take any function name, so but I am using here insertion sort, so I used inst. Will take array. Now we have to declare some variable such like int key equal to 0, int j equal to 0. Now we're going to use for loop, and which is starting from 1, I equal to 1, and I less than array dot length. Array dot length I plus plus. The loop work from 1 to the length of the array. Okay, now key equal to array I. What this means? Okay, key array I means 1. Okay, array 1 means it indicate the index number 1, and the index 1 is 4. Okay, so this key value will store 4, right? Now c equal to I minus 1, and again we use a while loop here. J is greater than equal to 0 and a or j is greater than key value. I will explain what I did. Okay, here j equal to I minus 1. I is 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1 is 0, so it is satisfied. And here we can see that j is right now 0, means this place 5. Okay, 5 is greater than key value, means this 4. 5 is greater than 4, yes, so this loop will be executed. Okay, array j plus 1 array j, and j equal to j minus 1. Now here we can see that j, now j is 0. Okay, j is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, means this place. So this place, okay, the position of 4 will store the value of 5. The position of 4 will store the value of 5, means this. The position of 4 means this 5 will be come here. Okay, simple, the 5 will become here. Now again we see, we write a code here, j plus 1, and what it means of this code, j is right now what, 0 minus 1 means minus 1. J is 0. Okay, j is 0 minus 1 means minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 means 0. Okay, means the position of this first or zeroth place, means this here the key will be stored. Key means a 4, so in this position 4 will be replaced here, and for from this code this this 5 will store here. Okay, simple. For this code 4 will be replaced here, for this code 5 will be replaced here. Very simple. Okay, now you can use a for loop for shown this sorted array I equal to 0. Now I will be started from 0 because we have to shown all the element of the array. That's why we started here from 0. Less than array dot length I plus plus system dot out dot println. Here we can write array I. Okay, and now we have to do here to call this function. How we can call? Just write inst and pass the array. Just simple, very simple code. Now let's see it's working or not. Yeah, we can see here 1 2 3 4 5. For if you want to see from horizontal, so you can do one thing, you just cut two word just like that. Okay, now again do. Now you can see that the array is sorted. We can do another thing to give some space. Now you can see that the array is sorted. Thank you.